Good morning. My name is Mark. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be talking about this circuit, an AC voltage divider. And here's a circuit here. And D1 and D2 are the diodes. They show right here and there. And I got three capacitors here. The blue one is 200 microfarads and the black ones are 220 microfarads, so they're not equal. They should all be equal. So at this capacitor I get from about 52 to 54 volts. They go to the light bulb, which is a 60 watt light bulb, and these have about 33 to 35 volts, C1 and C3. So it's like 54 plus 70 is about 122 or 124 volts, and it powers this light bulb here. So later I'll get three capacitors the same, and you can use electrolytic. These black ones are electrolytic ones, and the negative should go towards where the current is coming from, which direction it's coming from. And later I'll be using these ones here, ceiling fan capacitors, 6 microfarads. I got 3 of those. I can put in the circuit and see how accurate that is. And then later I'll use a dryer cord. This supplies 240 volts, and I'll be setting up this circuit here where I use 3 transformers. And these two are connected in parallel at the primary coils, but I think I'm going to have to wire the outputs, secondary coils, in series. I got them in parallel here to make sure that 60 volts goes to the load. Oh, no, maybe 120 volts altogether. Yeah, it would be 120 volts, that's right. When I'm successful with the dryer cord, I will be using this circuit to create 240 volts from 120 volts. It's a AC voltage doubler, but at the outputs A to H, it supplies 240 volts, but when I hook up the voltage divider circuit, it doesn't seem to operate properly, put out the right voltage. So I think I have to do something like impedance matching, because when there's capacitors in the circuit, there's a reactance and all that stuff. And it's like a speaker on your stereo. You got to have 8 ohms, or you're not going to get the right volume. You don't have the right ohmage. Okay, so I'll turn it on. And just show you this one measurement here in volts. Plug it in. There it is, the light bulb is on at about, you can hardly see it there, but it's on at about 54 volts. And there the meter is saying 53.6 volts, a little less this time. So there we have it. The voltage divider is working. Okay, thanks so very much for watching. See you later.